Welcome. In today's video, we'll walk you through the simple steps to change your LinkedIn password using the mobile app. Keeping your account secure is crucial, and updating your password regularly is a great way to ensure your information stays safe. Let's get started. First, open the LinkedIn app on your mobile device. Once you're on the home screen, look for the Me icon at the top left corner of the screen. Tap on it to access your profile menu. Next, from the drop-down menu, select Settings and Privacy. This will take you to a page where you can manage various aspects of your account. Under the Sign In and Security section, tap on Change Password. Now, you'll see three fields: one for your current password and two for your new password. Start by entering your current password in the first field. Then, type in your new password in the second field and confirm it by retyping it in the third field. Remember, a strong password should include a mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and special characters. Once all fields are filled out correctly, tap on Save Password. If you'd like to log out of all devices where your LinkedIn account is active, make sure to check the box that says, "Require all devices to sign in with new password" before saving. And that's it. Your LinkedIn password has now been successfully updated. It's always a good idea to keep your passwords unique and secure to protect your account from unauthorized access. Thank you for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick and easy tutorials. Stay safe online.